So if you're an independent workshop and you're turning Porsche vehicles away and potentially you're handing them to a dealer or sending them somewhere else, that's money that you're losing. You could be keeping this in-house. There is another option for you. You can now own the Porsche Pass-Through dealer diagnostic solution called VT4G. That's Virtual Tester. 4G named after the Porsche Tester 4G system. This is designed specifically for independent aftermarket workshops. In this video, we'll show you exactly what the VT4G, the Virtual Tester 4G system, can give you, how you can access it, what the subscription costs are, and how to run and operate and really return that investment into profit. By the end of the video, you'll have all the information that you'll be able to use to keep those Porsche vehicles in your workshop. So what is Porsche VT4G Virtual Tester? When it comes to pass-through performance, this can generally be hit or miss, depending on the vehicle brand and the pass-through tool that you're using. With Porsche, our assumption was that it'd be great for the servicing functions, the reading and clearing of your DTCs, those quick service jobs, and looking at that live data. So we decided that we would put it to the test and actually physically try it on a vehicle. We sent the Porsche pass-through system to a trusted garage, Dan Mayo. Dan Mayo is an ex-Porsche master technician. Who better to send the tool to give us an exact rundown on exactly what the tool will do and the differences between the VT4G and the Porsche Tester in the dealership. The question was simple: can the VT4G do exactly what the Porsche Tester can do in the dealership? And the answer was one we wasn't expecting. The VT4G system was capable of handling all of those real in-depth challenges, service resets, the coding, the programming, the module updates. It was better than that. Dan couldn't point us to a single thing or a significant difference within the software. Dan tried everything from diagnostic, programming, coding, software updating, and service resets. The access was all there. The main difference he found, however, was the speed. Because the VT4G runs in a virtual tester, he found that this can generally be quite a little bit slower than the genuine tester and a little bit clunky. Essentially, you're running the dealership software in a virtual tester environment. So of course, it's not going to feel quite as slick to operate. But in terms of functionality, the Porsche pass-through setup gives you exactly what you would expect from a dealer level environment. So from here, there are two big things we need to look at. What does the setup actually involve, and what vehicle coverage can you realistically get from this tool? There are a lot of pass-through tools on the market, and they'll all claim to be compatible with the Porsche dealer diagnostic software. However, this doesn't mean that they will all give you the same access and the same reliable performance. So if you choose the wrong interface, that could lead to unreliable performance, missing functionality, and worst case scenario, not even diagnosing the vehicle at all by pulling the vehicle VIN number. We've seen these through our extensive testing. The two tools, however, that came out on top were the Actia ACI 3 and the Bosch MTS 6531. These tools we put through their paces, and we were happy that we were not missing any of that information that you will need to fix the vehicle. So we've done from diagnostics, coding, programming, key programming specifically, service updating, service recalls, technical bulletin recalls. However, the tool on its own is not the full solution. You will need a laptop. We have tested this with our rugged Maverick X14M laptop. This far exceeds the minimum specification that Porsche would recommend to run their virtual tester 4G software. We've caringly and lovingly designed this Maverick laptop to exceed the specifications so that you can carry on repairing these vehicles for a long time. A little bit more background on the two tools. So the Actia ACI 3 is the replacement for the old XS2G. This has long-standing relationships for use with the Porsche software. The new tool, however, now supports the extended DOIP protocols that are required for the more modern vehicle. Now, the Bosch MTS 6531 is the device commonly used for quite a lot of vehicle manufacturers. We've seen it used for the Ford system, the GM system, the JLR system. So naturally, it's got a great pedigree. It's a really known, trusted device throughout the vehicle manufacturers within Europe. So naturally, we were going to test this with one of the strongest German brands, Porsche. The MTS 6531 gives you all the access and performance that you would expect and works perfectly with the software. However, it does come at a slightly higher cost price than the ACI 3. So now we understand the capability and we actually have the tools. It's important to understand if we can actually fix the cars coming into your workshop. Let's look at the coverage for these tools. Pass-through, it's Euro 5 legislation. So that generally means anything fitted with the Euro 5 engine. However, the applications and the vehicle coverage suggest that we can use it with the Porsche Boxster, the 986, the 987, and some of the older 911s on the Euro 4 engines. So if you're looking to repair Porsche vehicles in-house using the pass-through system, then the links to the products mentioned in this video are in the description. If you're also looking for the difference between aftermarket pass-through and dealer diagnostic tools, we have a full video that breaks this down. Click on the video on screen now.